Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Today, we're going over how to import contacts in bulk into your Elite Technique. Let's get started. There are two ways to import contacts into your system, and they're both easy. Option 1, click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Contacts app, which is the little book with the bust icon. Click on View List located on the upper right part of the screen. You need to select at least one contact by checking on the box next to it in order for the Action button to appear. Click on Action and select Export from the drop-down menu. We can export our sheet as an Excel sheet or a CSV file. We can also save this export sheet as a new template, so the next time we want to export a contact list, we don't have to undergo all this template configuration. Give your template a name in the field next to Save As and click on the little floppy disk icon to save it. These items on the right column are the fields that we are going to display on our contacts import sheet. Use the little trash can to dispose of any unwanted fields. You can click and hold on the little cross next to any of these items to relocate them into the order that you want them to appear in. The items on the left column are the fields that we can add to our contacts import sheet. Since there are so many, it is wise to use the search bar on top of it to filter or narrow down our search for fields that we want to add to our template. These are the fields that we recommend you to include in your contact import list. They pertain to personal information, the contact's complete and verified address, and if it's a company or an individual. Don't forget to hit export to complete the process. Now we just have to add the contacts we want to import into our system onto our sheet with all the information requested and go back into the Contacts app. Click on Favorites located under the search bar and select Import Records. Click on Load File to upload the sheet. Make sure that the information under each column header is the correct one. If you click on the little arrow next to any of the column headers, you can now make any last-second changes. Then click on Test to verify that everything is valid. You will see a notification indicating it. Finally, click on Import to add the new contacts into your directory. If you go to the Contacts app, you should be able to see all these new contacts just imported with all the information requested defaulted to company or individual accordingly. This brings us to option 2. Since this is a normal Excel sheet or CSV file that doesn't have any formulas bound to it, you don't really need to export a template from Elite Technique. You can create your own contacts import list, and as long as this list contains valid information with valid column headers for the system and in the correct format, just verify the information under each column header and use the test button before you import as always, because all the import process is exactly the same. Thank you very much.